Welcome back to the deep dive. Okay, so if you've been on social media lately, at all.
Yeah, hard to miss them.
Exactly. You've definitely seen those ads, right? For CarticeNYC, they're everywhere. Big flashy banners, luxury watches.
Huge discounts, like 70% off.
And they throw in free chains, bracelets, all that stuff. It almost feels, well, unbelievable. So today we're going to take a quick look, a deep dive into their claims versus what our sources actually found.
That's the plan. It's a classic social media hype situation, really.
Yeah.
Are they legit, offering affordable luxury, like they say?
Yeah.
Or are those claims about, millions of happy customers just setting off all the alarm bells?
Okay, first impressions. You land on CarticeNYC.com, and honestly, it looks pretty slick.
Oh, yeah, very professional. They've got logos up there, Complex, Newsweek, Business Insider, Hype. Makes it seem credible.
Totally.
Yeah.
And the
Wow.
deals look tempting. Our sources flagged one specifically. A watch, supposedly retail around 188 cents.
Yeah.
Right? Slashed down to $85, $84.95, I think. Yeah, $84.95, plus free jewelry, a gift card. It's designed to make you think, wow, I gotta grab this now.
But here's where it gets interesting, like right away. Our sources hit a weird snag almost immediately.
What was that?
Well, try copying any text on their website. Just try highlighting something.
You can?
Nope. The site actively blocks you. You literally cannot copy or highlight product descriptions, names, anything.
Huh. That is really strange for a shop. Why would they do that? Is it some kind of weird tech thing, or are they trying to hide the words they're using?
Well, it certainly makes you wonder, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And yeah, it feels like the latter, which leads us right to the core issue here.
Okay.
So once the researchers found a way around that little technical block,
Uh-huh.
they did a reverse image search on the watch. The one being sold is this high-end piece.
Ah, the reverse image search, always revealing. So what did it turn up?
Well, get this. The exact same watch, same photo, same design, everything popped up on Alibaba.
No way. And the price?
$20. $20 wholesale.
$20. So
Yeah.
not exactly luxury Italian craftsmanship then.
Not even close. We're talking cheap goods, probably from China, marked up like,
Yeah.
what is that, 400%, even at the supposed $85 sale price.
Wow. Okay, so a $20 watch sold for $85. Technically, couldn't they just say they're resellers with a huge markup? Does finding it for $20 totally debunk the whole 70% off luxury claim?
Oh, absolutely. It completely dismantles it. That 70% discount, it's based on a fictional original price. It's pure marketing fluff to create urgency.
Okay, right.
And that urgency gets reinforced by all reviews they show, right? The site boasts about thousands of five-star reviews. Looks amazing.
Aw. Yeah, you see that wall of perfect scores. But hang on. If I bought one of these, could I actually go on their site and leave my review? Like a real one?
That's the catch. Absolutely not. There's no way for a customer to submit feedback. No form, no link, nothing. Those reviews,
Right.
they're static images, probably.
So you can't add your own. Interesting.
Very. And if you step outside their controlled environment, look at a neutral site like Trustpilot, the picture changes drastically.
Okay, so if their site is all 5 stars, what's the real world score?
It plummets. On Trustpilot, CarticeNYC has a rating of just 2.9 stars. Pretty bad.
Ouch. 2.9. What are people complaining about?
It's consistent stuff. People saying the quality's fake, basically junk, huge delays in shipping, and sometimes the watch just never shows up at all.
Wow, so completely the opposite of the perfect picture they paint on their own website.
Exactly. It's a curated fiction versus, well, reality.
So let's bring this together for you, listening at home, maybe scrolling through those same ads. The evidence seems pretty stacked, wouldn't you say?
I'd say so. You've got these massive, frankly, unbelievable discounts. You have a website actively hiding its own text.
Yeah, that blocking thing is still wild to me.
Right. Then you find out the luxury product is actually a $20 knockoff. And finally, the glowing on-site reviews are contradicted by terrible external ratings and complaints about not even receiving the item.
It really points towards this being, well, less about affordable luxury and more like a classic online marketing trap. Predatory, almost.
It's a strong reminder, really. Skepticism online is probably your best friend.
It has to be. And it makes you think, considering how far they went just to block copying text to literally control the information on the page, what other things do we need to watch out for? How do we verify anything when the source itself is trying so hard to mislead us from the get-go? Something to keep in mind next time you see that tempting 70% off deal flash across your screen.